I'm Cyrus from Hong Kong, the florist behind driedflower. I've been working in this field for 6 years, and my floral creation involved the use of preserved flowers and dried flowers. I specialize in wedding bouquets, floral arrangements, wreaths, floral cards, and more. Preserved flowers are real flowers that have undergone a treatment process and designed to last for months or even years. I particularly enjoy creating harmonious color palettes with a touch of romance, and I incorporate cotton and leaves to add a cozy feel to my creations. During a trip to Taiwan and Korea years ago, I came across preserved flowers and was captivated by their vibrant colors and uniqueness. This led me to enroll in certification courses related to floral design. I eventually decided to quit my job and fully dedicate myself to this beloved venture. I now have a small floral studio in my home in Nottingham. The room is always a bit chaotic, filled with various floral materials and tools. However, it is my favorite space in the house. I'm active on Instagram and have a shop on Etsy, and you can find my work on my Instagram account, driedflower.